Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Breakout Lab. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So let's begin. So today's date is 30 July 2021. Time is around 1:22 p.m. And we have already completed our trades in the morning only, but because of some time issue, I'm recording it right now. So let me refresh this page. This is the Kiteway portal, and as you can see, we booked in Tata Motors. We booked 400 rupees and taking Mahindra 622, and cumulatively we managed to book 1022 rupees. That's what our daily limit. And as you know, we trade with 500 rupees as a stop loss value. So based upon that, we book 1:1. So here also I booked 1:1 here, and because of the two trades, we managed to have 1000 rupees profit for end of the July session. All right, so let's look for the orders value first. So let's look for the orders. Orders are like for the Tata Motors. As you can see, we have let me rearrange this with instrument levels. So yeah, so we at 950 we went buy side on Tata Motors, and then we exit that position at 1036, and this is the stop loss order that we have cancelled. Same for the Tech Mahindra, we made long at 1014. At 1033 we squared off this position, and this is the cancel order, that is the stop loss order. So let's look at now for the on the charts, so what are the setups, on which setups we have taken the long entries. First of all, at the Tata Motors, as you can see, I kept the long order at above this candle. This was the stop loss and this was the target exactly at 300 rupees. So why 300? I could have gone little further more, but 300 is the whole number, and is this numbers works as a magnet also, and sometimes they work as the resistance levels also. So just after 300 value it falls back. Okay, but this wasn't the criteria. The criteria was, as you can see directly at here, I already marked. See, this is it. Let me delete. So this is resistance number 1, that Tata Motor falls down, goes above, taken a rejection, goes down. Okay, then goes up, taken again a rejection at this level, goes down, again goes up, taken a rejection at this level, directly goes down. And after some time, after after 2-3 days later, it came again at our resistance level, and guess what, it has given a good breakout with high volume and higher high candles, and very bullish candle with high volume. It given a breakout. So as per our tagline of the video, let it break, then we'll make. So this suits here. So I waited patiently for the breakout, and on the top of that I've entered. I kept the stop loss below, and I kept the target of 300 because of the whole number I told you already. And in this one we booked almost 1:1. 1:1 profit we managed to be here, and you can see after 300 he just touches the 300 and it falls back to the resistance levels. All right, so this is with the Tata Motors. Another one with the Tech Mahindra. Yesterday there was a earnings report and it was very positive, and because of that today, as you can see, Tech Mahindra opens 4% gap up. See, it opens almost 4 to 5% gap up, and after gap up opening, also Tech Mahindra is trading at all-time high, and it's making fresh highs. So after gap up, I was thinking that maybe it will fall down to fill the gap as per the gap theory, but because of the buying momentum and the good result that came yesterday, Tech Mahindra sustains an above label and forms a very good pattern. You might know this pattern. This is inverse head and shoulder, you can call it. So I just draw a trend line on that. As you can see, resistance, and this candle gives the breakout. That's what we trade mostly, the breakouts. And as you can see, the volume also confirms the breakout. There is a significant rise into the volume as compared to the previous bars, and exactly this candle also denotes there is a breakout. So exactly I didn't get entry out there because I was looking other charts also. But as soon as this breakout happened on the next candle, I took entry. I kept the stop loss below that, and I booked 1:1 profit out here also in the Tech Mahindra. So this was the basic story, and this is how you consistently grow your profit if you keep your position sizing in control. If you keep as per the account size, then definitely you will make it. So these are the patterns and the trade that we did today. So that's all for today, and we'll see you in the August series. I wish you all the best for the August series as well to all of you. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, stay healthy, stay safe.